Hi YouTubers, today I'll be showing you how to enable the trim on an SSD drive. Basically, if you have installed an external SSD drive on your MacBook Pro, you would need to enable it because it doesn't come enabled by default, and basically it enhances the performance of your Mac. And if you are looking at this video, so I assume you know about this already. This is a very quick method. You don't need to type in commands and whatnot. You just need to download this app, and it's called Sensi. It's a very neat app. All you need to do is go on a trim column and click show trim, and all you need to do is press that button and it will do the restart, and then trim will be enabled by default. You can get this app from the website called sensi.app, so you can purchase that. It's entirely up to you. There's also another app that I'm going to show you in a second. It's called Trim Enabler. If I can just quickly type down Trim Enabler. There you go. So it's a trim enabler, does the same thing. It basically enables the trim. You click on it, and as you can see, it says trim has been enabled and is working in the background. Let me just show you the quick benchmark. Basically what it does, it dramatically increases the speed of your SSD, and I'm pretty happy with that because it's giving me over 2000 Mbps write speed and read speed, which is phenomenal for a Mac 2015 model. It helps me with a lot of processing, like this video that I'm doing right now. So if you like that, please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in another video. Thanks.